Hello friends, welcome to our latest video on stone wall designs. In this video, we will explore the timeless elegance and rugged charm of stone walls, perfect for adding a touch of natural beauty to any space. Whether you're considering a feature wall in your living room, an accent wall in your bedroom, or a striking facade for your home exterior, stone offers a versatile and durable option. Well, showcasing a variety of designs from rustic and traditional to sleek and modern, providing you with inspiration and practical tips on how to incorporate stones into your decor. Join us as we delve into the world of stone wall designs, offering creative ideas to transform your home with this stunning material. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.